Today I will be cooking aloo methi ka sabji. So I have brought you all to my garden. First I'll pluck the methi and put it in the plate and then go inside and cook. So let's pluck the methis. Take it like a bunch and cut it like here and then here. You know why I'm saying? Otherwise, if you put it like this, all these methis and all will remain there. It will be very difficult. Fold it like this, pull it like this, cut it like this, take it the bunch and keep it. See, a very good quality methi. Just do like this and the soil will come up. And it's very easy to grow these methis at home. Just soak the seeds overnight and just do it in the soil. Plucking the methis. See, totally organic methis. And I've already plucked chilies from my garden. So all these things will be from my garden only. I'll show you. See, brinjals are also coming. Brinjals are also coming. So nice. So nice, cute brinjals are coming. And टमाटर भी बहुत आया था. So let's go inside and start with our recipe. Let's come to the ingredients. I've taken one big potato cut into bite sizes, and the masalas, basic masalas, not much. Nigella seeds or kalonji, then green chili cut like this, 1 teaspoon of haldi, 7 to 8 garlic pods, and sugar and salt according to your taste. And I have cut the methis or shredded the methis like this. Now let's go. First I will add 2 spoon of mustard oil. Then add the nigella seeds. After the nigella seeds starts spluttering, add the mirchi. I will be adding the garlic. Just add the potatoes and fry. Add the haldi and then fry it for some time, because aloo takes time to fry, but methi doesn't take much time to cook. Now let it fry for some time. Cooking this for last 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the methis. Mix the aloos and methis properly. At this point, you add your sugar and salt according to your taste. I will be adding 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. मेथी से बहुत पानी निकलेगा, so cover and cook. देखिए कितना पानी निकल रहा है. So give time for all these waters to get dried and eventually to get the methi cooked properly. So I'm covering it again. I'm cooking for last 7 minutes. Now I'll be adding oil, and methi थोड़ा कड़वा होता है, so I will be adding little sugar also. If you want it, if you like this karwa thing, then don't add sugar and you adjust your salt accordingly. Now I'll cook for another 5 minutes. And अब ये हमेशा you remember this, that मेथी बहुत कम हो जाता है. So take more methi. I have taken only 1 potato, but अभी जैसे potato ही दिख रहा है. So take more methi in comparison with potato. Cooking for last 5 minutes. Now my methi is done. It's time to serve now. So my aloo methi is ready. Enjoy it with paratha or roti. Hope you found this recipe very easy. Do try it, and if you like it, please share and subscribe my channel and leave your comments in my comment box. Thank you very much.